Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Ned over by Philippine Dreams, N to the E to the D over at MPD. And my good friend Brian has been nice enough to show us around a rental property that he's just moved into today. Today is March 1st. We are somewhere up on the Valencia Road between Dumaguete and Valencia. And we're going to take a little tour of his premises. It's 25,000 peso rental house. It's pretty freaking nice. All right, so yeah, I like this house over here. It's got a really nice lawn. And but this isn't the 25,000 peso house, but it's a nice house. This is the 25,000 peso house. Take a quick tour around the exterior. The front yard is very nicely landscaped. Very nice, I like it. It's got the cool stone thing here. You got your hose over here for washing your motor. It's nicely landscaped on the side. And the neighborhood is not bad. You hear some barking dogs in the background, but that might be because Brian is new to the neighborhood and the dogs don't know him yet. And I noticed that when the dogs don't recognize you in the neighborhood, they bark. Of course, you got your laundry implements for drying your clothes over here. Very nice. And all the rooms have air con. The only thing I don't like is there's no security grates, but this is a compound. Dirty kitchen is back here. This dirty kitchen is like the size of my whole house, and I'm jealous. The house is partially furnished. Right here you got your washer and dryer, which is nice. And the owner lives right across the way. This is a little family compound, so you don't have to go far when something breaks in the house to get it fixed. Now let's take a look at the interior. This is a nice place. Nice place. And again, he just literally moved in. He hasn't unpacked anything. The house is partially furnished. The couch here. And it smells really nice and excellent in that smelly thing. It's got an entertainment system, DVD player for those who still play DVDs. Little TV. Microwave came with it, rice cooker, gotta have that. And I gotta find one of these. This is a nice one. I was looking for these the other day. Dish strainer. There's a sink and it's got an oven for ovening things. I like that. And these feta crackers are really good. And check out the rooms. I mean, it's just a classy. I like the decoration. Whoever did that. It's classy. They obviously didn't shop at Unitop. And they got something for the brownouts. This is a spare bedroom. It's got a TV, bed, air con, and it's got its own bathroom. So here's me. I'm sweating on the ground, so hot today. Yeah. And here is the bathroom for the guest room. It's got its own water heater, Western toilet, good water pressure, and it's got its own cabinetry. It's in really good condition. A lot of times we're trying to find places, the cabinetry's all beat up, furniture's garbage, and it's not that classy. This is some sort of rabbit or a dog. I'm not really sure. This is going to be Brian's office. It's got a built-in desk, very nice wraparound desk. Air conditioning, and it looks like they're using Globe Tattoo for internet. Here's the master bedroom. It's got a nice spot. I like that bed frame. I bet you that doesn't squeak much. I guess it fills the whole room with water. That shouldn't be an issue. Western toilet, water heater. Gotta have a water heater, man. Even though it's tropics and it's hot as blazes today, gotta have it. And more cabinetry. For storing all your stuff. Yeah, it's got some art. I like that. That's always a bonus. So that's it. This is $25,000 a month, about $550 for a 3-bedroom house. Nice area. Quiet. The dogs seem to have quieted down. It's a nice open area, open space. Got a good breeze going through here. And congratulations to Brian, and thanks to Brian for letting us give you a view of what you can get for about 25,000 pesos in Dumaguete City. This is Ned, over at My Philippine Dreams. And we'll see you next time. Yes, that's nice.
Yeah. Now you can actually watch the whole video you just took right here. I know it's hot in here, man.
This is a hot day.
Yeah, it is a hot day.